Hello again. This is my cockbirds. The hens went in. Took them about an hour, close to an hour, to go in. So I let the cocks out. They've been up about a half hour now. I got some of the laid hatches catching up to them. As you see, one right there and one right there. They learn pretty soon. They're going to kit together. I got around 30 cockbirds. They're doing good. They're doing very good. No hawks so far, thanks God. I have no hawks so far. I have one like 2 weeks ago. It smacked into my aviary real hard when I was coming out in the morning to feed them. But they're doing good. They're doing real good. Let me show you inside. I just cleaned the inside. The only one that's in here is my fancy bird. All the hens back in, every one of them. As you see, I got them separated. I had a couple of eggs this morning on the ground, busted up. One right there, and the other one was right there. But they look good. I'll mark them all up so I know which ones they are. Sorry about the glare. I put all the hens, I put a pink bands on them. As you see, they have all got pink bands on them. I believe there are about 30 some hens in here. You know, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31 hens. Not bad at all. The cock's still up. Let's go out. All my breeders, they are on wooden eggs. She's sitting on the wooden eggs. She's sitting on the wooden eggs. I just don't have the room. I just don't have the room to. Okay, Mama, I'm not bothering you. That's my full purebred pursuing hen, and that's another. There's 2 more eggs in there, wooden eggs. I think she abandoned them, but they've been over 30 days. My cock's still up flying. Still got some of my last year's lay hatches. Well, I had a problem last year. I got the cockbird from a friend of mine. That cockbird is a JoJo's International Cockbird, 2009, double band, no flying. It's only a breather. And I had it with another hen, and it didn't work out too well. And I put my my hand in one and hit the wires, the pursuit. It's 3/4 pursuit and a quarter Spaniard. So she's got 2 wooden eggs under there. So I breed them last year late. I want to get some babies out of him. It's 2011 bird. So very well bred bird. I got it from a friend of mine. Whatever he wants it back, he can have it back. But he gives me some good ass birds. Very healthy. They flying good. And we don't know how good they're gonna be on the racing. We'll find out next year. But I'll keep training them as much as I can. The cock's been up now for about 45 minutes. Half hour, 45 minutes. I think they pretty soon they're gonna come down. Look like it. Okay, Stratos 5907. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye now.